All right, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the key fob for a 2017 till present Honda Ridgeline. So this is the smart key fob, allows you to unlock the car, kind of start the car depending on the model. But this is really easy to change. If you flip it over on the back, there's a little knob that allows you to release the internal valet key. So let's go ahead and pull that out. Now this key fob has two parts to it, so we're going to just need to split it in half, and it'll pop into two pieces really easily. You can take the valet key, if you insert it right in the middle between the two pieces and right dead center there's a spot where you can get some leverage to just kind of twist there, and this will pop right into two pieces, and you get access to the internal CR2032 battery that you need to replace for this key fob for the Ridgeline. Now to pop this out, if you go to the left side here, you'll be able to get underneath the coin battery. Go ahead and grab a new one from Amazon or wherever. And you'll see there's kind of two longer teeth on this side. So if you place the battery underneath those teeth first and push it down in, it makes it really easy to pop back into place. Just grab the other side of the fob battery, pop that back into place. Snaps together really nice. Put your valet key back in. And boom, that's how you change the key battery on the Honda Ridgeline from 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020 to present.